In this final section, we're going to discuss waste management hierarchy. The United States Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, created a waste management hierarchy that categorizes the steps necessary to manage waste in a method that benefits people and reduces the impact on the environment. The most preferred method of waste management is source reduction and reuse. So reducing the amount of waste we produce at the source from our packaging or whatever else, and reusing our products. That's followed by recycling and composting. So composting our food waste and biodegradables and recycling our glasses, our plastics, our aluminums. Energy recovery. So we've talked a lot about how methane can be captured from landfills or energy can be captured from incineration and used to generate electricity. And then finally, treatment and disposal. Source reduction and reuse. The most important step in waste management is reduction and reuse. Everyone, whether it is industry, business, or individual people, should take steps to reduce their personal creation of waste by reusing what they already have. Creating less waste to begin with is a crucial first step, since it is much more eco-friendly than even the best recycling programs. Reusing materials instead of throwing them out also reduces the load on the waste management process. Recycling. Recycling is the next step of the hierarchy. You can see it here. This involves collecting waste that can be sorted and processed into raw materials. These raw materials can then be remanufactured into new products. Taking it one step further, consumers can then choose to purchase items that are made from recycled materials, completing the recycling chain. Recycling has numerous benefits, including preventing gas emissions, creating jobs, saving energy, and reducing the need for landfills and incinerators. When plastic is recycled, it is sorted and shredded. These shards are then melted down to create pellets, as you can see in the image, which can then be used to create new products. However, the quality of the plastic degrades each time it is recycled. Glass can be endlessly recycled by crushing, blending, and melting it together into new products. Unlike plastic, glass can be recycled almost without limit with no loss of quality. Energy recovery. The next step in this hierarchy is energy recovery, as you see here. We've previously discussed this as waste to energy facilities that happen when our waste is incinerated and the energy produced by that burning can be used to generate electricity. It's also being used from the methane gas captured from landfills. The final step, which we'll discuss in the next slide, is treatment and disposal. We discussed in the previous section treatment and disposal. Those treatments can be physical, chemical, biological, or thermal, and the goal is to turn the waste into something that can then be safely disposed of in a landfill.